Here we go. The time to test to see if they've got any activity. Oh, we've got some lights. Valves are back in place. All the relevant components have all been changed, and hopefully we should start to hear something from the old radio. Aerial connected for the VHF. There's a bit of noise here, can you hear? Just waiting for something to happen. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's good news. We've got some activity there. Try medium wave. There's anything on that one. Oh, there we go. Excellent. So all the hard work seems to have worked. So we've got medium wave and VHF. Long wave, I don't think there'll be much on there. Oh, there is. Quite surprised. So all 3 channels working. Excellent job.